Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of this kind of messages popping up on your screen. So if you're a user of Adobe products or you're using any Adobe software, the cracked version of Adobe softwares like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, After Effects, and the likes. So you'll definitely be getting this kind of messages popping up on your screen, like the warning and the um blocking you out of the software and all that. So I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of those kind of messages in this video. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and like this video, leave a comment. Here on the channel we talk about creativity and everything in between. These are one of those things that are in between, so your software has to be okay for you to express that creativity inside you. If you don't have money to subscribe to Adobe softwares, this is the video for you. All right. Okay guys, so here's my screen and I'm going to show you how I got rid of the notification from Adobe that my software wasn't a genuine one and that they were disabling it very soon. So guys, I've already gotten rid of the stuff that was causing that issue or that notification. So I'm just going to walk you guys through the steps. So first of all, you come to your tax manager, this your tax bar. So you right click on it and just go to tax manager. Yeah, tax manager. So when your tax manager opens up, you set it to full screen. So you're going to see around here where you have A, where you can see says like numbers. So it's in alphabetical order. This side are like numbers. Then from here you have A, then you have C, there's no B. So around this part that you have A, you're going to see an app called Adobe Genuine Service. It's one of the stuff that's running in the background. As you can see here, these are stuff that are running in the background. So you're going to see something around here, around this point where you have the A part. You're going to see Adobe Genuine Service, and all you need to do is just click on it. Just click on it. For example, let me click on this, like this Avast antivirus. When you click on it, you're going to come down here to the bottom right, and you're going to see this button End Tax. So you're just going to come and click that End Tax. All right, that's for that. When you're done with that, we'll move over to the next step. So you close the tax manager when you've ended the tax of that Adobe Genuine Service. Now you go to your control center. Come here and type control center. Okay, we open up control center and you come down to programs. Under programs, you see uninstall a program. You click on that. And also around here where you have the A, this too is also in alphabetical order. Where you have this A, you can see I have like about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 5 Adobe products, Adobe softwares. So you're going to see in the midst of those Adobe software, you're going to see a software called or an application called Adobe Genuine Service. All you need to do is right click on it, right click, you're going to see uninstall stroke change. So you just click on that and they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to uninstall this? You click yes, you uninstall it, and when you're done, all you need to do is go and restart your PC. When you're done with that, boom, you can use the software as you like. All right, so you can see I'm connected to the internet and okay, I was using Photoshop a few minutes ago. Right now I'm using CapCut. I'm editing a video. So I was using Photoshop a few minutes ago. Before I could not like connect the internet to my laptop while I'm using any Adobe software. Now they're going to just give me notification instantly, and before you know it, will just close the software and leave it. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment, and if you've not yet subscribed to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Thank you guys. Thank you.